and welcome to another video from me. Another happy day because I've got a box. You can't tell what kind of box until now. I have got another Stitch Fix. God, what edition of this am I on now? I feel like, are we in the 20s? Are we in the 30s? I don't think so. But either way, I have got another Stitch Fix box and I am, as always, very excited to open it with you guys. I know Stitch Fix can be very hit or miss, but it's something that I enjoy. It's just a fun surprise little service, styling service that I always have my affiliate link down below if you want to get some money off of your first box and also get me some money for referring you. You don't have to, but like if you want to, I know I would appreciate it, and hey, it's money off for you as well. But like I said, I just enjoy seeing what my stylist picks for me every couple of months and what she thinks I might look good in or something I might want to try. I don't think I asked for anything specific here, but Stitch Fix, real quick for those of you who don't know, styling service online, plus sizes, men, kids, normal sizes, you know, straight sizes. They send you 5 items whenever you want. You can schedule them to be monthly, every couple months, that sort of a thing, or you can do like a one-time thing and then be done with it. It's really up to you. It is $20 and that styling fee ends up going towards anything you purchase as well. Comes with the pre-stamped mailer bag for any returns or exchanges you may need to make, and everything comes really nicely wrapped in here. My Stitch Fix clothes, the ones that I keep anyways, A, are some of the more worn items in my closet, and then B, they hold up beautifully. I have never had problems with the quality of Stitch Fix, although I sometimes have problems with the price of their things because I am technically on the lowest tier. Oh yeah, this was an extra that I ordered. They also have extras that you can order if you want. I got this pair of pajamas and a bralette because they're really cute and I wanted them. I really hope this fits. It's free, people, so like it's gonna be on the smaller side as far as I know. I don't think you guys will be seeing this on me because it's a bralette, but it's so pretty. Oh, are you kidding me? That color, that nice like rust terracotta color. Ooh. So nice. I'm excited to try that on. And then the pajama set was just so cute. I love little tank tops like this with shorts. Oh, this has a built-in bra. I might have to cut that out. Just for me, that built-in bras do absolutely nothing. So I might just cut the elastic out of that, but I thought it was so cute. Leopard print with some black lacy bits. So nice and soft. And like I said, a nice spaghetti strap tank because I sleep hot. I mean, I'm just hot-blooded in general. And then some nice little shorts. Cute for, I mean, usually I don't wear shorts. I just wear my underwear to bed. But like for times when other people are around and I need to have shorts on, I will have that set. So. Oh my God. I am really struggle bussing it over here. Okay, I just have way too much stuff on my desk right now. Ooh, I'm excited. It looks very holiday-y in here. We also got a piece of jewelry, which I'm excited about. I really love the jewelry that Stitch Fix sends out typically. Every now and then I get a piece that I'm like, why though? But is this one of the why those? Maybe not. Okay, so this is from Kate Spade, or these are from Kate Spade. They are, I don't know why they're reminding me of like quilts, but they are cubic zirconia, and they are just some kind of larger blingy studs. I wasn't so sure about these, but these might look cute with like my hair up or something. This could be one of those jewelry pieces that I'm like, I don't know, but then I put it on and I'm like, oh, I like that. So we'll see on those. Also, sometimes, you know, with Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items, you get that 25% off of everything discount, and essentially it'll make one of the items for free, you know, so it might be a case of that if I end up really liking all of the clothing, which, woohoo, first off, quite possibly the softest thing I have ever touched in my life. What the heck? This is just a beautiful black and red flannel. This is reminding me of high school so much. I don't know why. I don't think I've ever owned this kind of a flannel. And this is actually like a flannel-y feeling kind of material. It feels a bit thicker, but not too thick. This is from Melody? You tell me. And it is so soft. Like I said, I mean, it just looks like a flannel button up, but super cute and super soft. But like that would be really cute, right? Like this, and then with my hair up and these studs. Sometimes I see where the stylist was going. That could be very cute. This also looks very cute. This little top here, this is kind of screaming New Year's to me. Although I do hate this kind of material because it doesn't breathe. Oh, this is gonna kill me. It's this material. Can you hear it? That. No. Oh, it's so cute though, but this is from West K. Oh, and it's got the cute twisty at the bottom. It's just a black, like, chiffon-y kind of a material. I love these little polka dots. They're kind of like fun, different kinds of polka dots. But the material, I've been so good about if the material doesn't breathe, Cassie, don't buy it or keep it in your wardrobe. You're never gonna wear it. Crap. But at least we'll try it on. We'll try it on. Then it looks like we have got some kind of a cardigan. Oh, yes. You guys know me and how I feel about a nice cardigan. This is from Market and Spruce. I feel like, do they sell this at Target? Market and Spruce. I feel like I've heard of that before. But this is just kind of like a oatmeal-y cream color cardigan, and it's just got some patterns on it, but I do like the nice bright pops of color. These types of cardigans where it's like a faux hood, kind of a shawl cowl neck, I guess, can be hit or miss on me. Sometimes they look okay, sometimes they don't flatter me at all. But then it looks like we've also just got a pair of black skinny jeans, Emma Ankle Skinny from STS Blue. Ooh, these are a 32. They might be a little small on me. I think these are just plain black skinny jeans, which honestly kind of makes me happy because I don't need another pair of black skinny jeans, not that I know of anyways. So that'll help me with not keeping everything because, like I said, I shouldn't keep this item. Okay. Let's try stuff on. Alright, so first up here, I've got the pants on as well as this t-shirt, and oh, I wish this t-shirt was not in this material. I think it's really cute. I do tend to like this kind of a cut on me. You know, it's got a nice v-neck, but not too low. The looser sleeve. I like the high-low of it with the knot on the front. I just like the way that the polka dots shimmer in the light and everything, but like I said, I've been so good about not buying. Like I've been really good, and I want to keep on being good about that because I know I will never reach for this shirt, just knowing how sweaty I get and how not breathable this material is. The pants are also just, I mean, they fit. They're too tight though. I mean, I am muffin topping in these for sure, but otherwise they fit. It's just the waist. They are like, can we see the perfect length on me? But, and speaking of butt, they do fit my butt very well, but they're too tight on the waist. So the pants are a pass. Ooh, my new pajama shorts fit me perfect though. All right. Good length too. My butt's not peeking out. See this cardigan as well. The cardigan's just okay on me. Like I said, there's something about this kind of a neckline that I think when it's a solid print, aka no print, if it's just a solid color cardigan that has this kind of a neck on it, I think it suits me. But when it's got like the interruption of the pattern, it just makes me look broader up here overall. I mean, the cardigan fits me. I like the length of it and all that, but it's just kind of okay. It's nothing special, I don't think. At least not in my wardrobe. Pajamas! Those are cute. Curse my large arms and broad shoulders. So while I would be able to button this, it would definitely gape the top of this flannel, although most flannels I don't really button up anyways. I do wear them loose, but it's just, if I raise my arms, it's restrictive. But it's so soft and it's a good length on me. I mean, I would obviously wear it with like real clothes underneath instead of pajamas, but like, oh, the thought was there. I just, like I said, curse my broad shoulders and fat arms. All right, so a slightly disappointing stitch fix. The thought was there. let's see what the prices are on things, and let's get a little smile from the card. Oh, hello. Hello. Let's see if it was Sasha. I'm sure it was. It was not. My goodness. So, here we are. Hi Cassie, my name is Jason and I'm stepping in for Sasha while she's taking some much deserved time off. Well, good for you, Sasha. I hope you are having a good break. There were no requests, so I took a look back at some of the things you've loved and saw how much you enjoyed the tie front tops, which is true. It has a little holiday shimmer, which would be great for New Year's Eve. I agree. Rock it with the black skinnies and also the Kate Spade studs. Buffalo plaid is having a moment this winter, and it would be really cute if you half tuck it into the jeans. Cool! Your brother lives in Minneapolis, so you know how cold it gets. You wanted me to stay warm with the tribal shawl collar cardigan. Winter. The vibrant print will play well on video too. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, Jason. Oh, I feel bad because it didn't work out, but like I said, the idea was super perfect on all of these pieces. The flannel top with how like soft and everything it is, perfect. I would have loved to have kept that, but I can't keep something that doesn't fit, you know what I mean? The cardigan, I like the thought of it. It just didn't work out on me. The skinny jeans were just one of those things where, I mean, A, they didn't fit, but then B, I already have black skinny jeans, and the not detailed blouse, I just need a material that breathes, and unfortunately that one does not. Maybe I'll feel better after looking at the price of these things and I won't have wanted them anyways. Oh no, it actually looks like most of this stuff was in my price range. Yeah. The Kate Spade earrings are $48, which for Kate Spade that makes sense. The skinny jeans were $45, which for some skinny jeans, like that's pretty dang good, that price. The flannel top was $46, which I absolutely would have paid, but like I said, I can't keep something that doesn't fit. That would be stupid. The shawl cardigan was $64, and the not detail blouse was $42. So I mean, I shouldn't say, I'm keeping the extras, so that's nice, you know, like I am keeping something. So thank you, Jason, for styling me. Remember, if you want to check out Stitch Fix yourself, as I said, they can be hit and miss, but if you do want to check them out and give them a try, my affiliate link is down below for you. I hope you all watching this video enjoyed it and enjoyed just, you know, seeing the different items on me, seeing what got picked for me. Definitely let me know if you think I'm making a mistake, if I really should have exchanged things for different sizes, or if I really looked good in something so you think I should have kept something, etc. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. Until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!